trying to get back to myself, but don't have a clue. I'm looking for some luck, can't find a door that's open. I'm losing all my hope, feels like I'm left here in two. Because I'm missing you. Because I'm missing you. Oh, because I'm missing you. Because I'm missing you. Because I'm missing you. Because I'm missing you. I was chasing all the wrong signs, trying to hold on to something that I couldn't find. Wish you didn't captivate my mind. Now I know even the sunsets in paradise, but now something went wrong. You're moving on. I found myself on the blind side. Now you won't call. We lost it all. You fade away. I'm picking up my heart from every piece that's broken. Been trying to get back to myself, but don't have a clue. I'm looking for some luck, can't find a door that's open. I'm losing all my hope, feels like I'm left here in two. Because I'm missing you. Because I'm missing you. Oh, because I'm missing you. Because I'm missing you. Because I'm missing you. Picking up my heart from every piece that's broken. Been trying to get back to myself, but don't have a clue. I'm looking for some luck, can't find a door that's open. I'm losing all my hope, feels like I'm left here in two. Because I'm missing you.
All right, great. Hey everyone, so excited to be welcoming you to the Code Gen track here at the AI Engineer World's Fair. My name is Brittany Walker. I am a GP at Charles River Ventures, aka CRV. We are an early stage venture capital firm investing primarily at seed and Series A rounds, and we've been around for 54 years, believe it or not. There, my focus is primarily on infrastructure and have done a bunch of AI infrastructure investments in the past couple years, which is how I've gotten to know Swix, our gracious host, relatively well. and very excited about the topic of code gen, as I'm sure all of you are here today. To walk through this topic, we're going to have some amazing speakers. We're going to have Rahul Pandita joining us from GitHub. We're going to have Kevin Howe joining us from Codium, and then we're going to have Michael Trill joining us from Cursor. We're going to lead things with Rahul. He works at GitHub Next specifically and works on the Copilot Workspaces product in that context. I'm sure all of you are familiar with GitHub Copilot, probably the #1 AI product that has taken the world by storm in the past year and a half here, and incredible statistics around its adoption, downloads, all of that. He can tell you more, but excited to have him walking us through some of his efforts today.
All set? Cool. Hello, everyone. How are you today? Pretty good, pretty good. I guess this is the afternoon session, so I'm standing between you and your lunch, so I'll try to get this as quickly as possible. Hi, my name is Rahul Pandita, and I am a researcher at GitHub Next. And today we're going to talk about some of the GitHub Next explorations. Now, before we begin, who among you have heard of GitHub Next? Oh, cool. Quite a few of you. That will make it go much easier and much faster. All right. For those of you who don't know us, we are about 20 bunch of researchers, seniorish level developers, and mostly tool builders who work outside of the regular product and report directly to our CEO. And that's by design. And our goal is to explore the future of software engineering like you all are doing in your day-to-day jobs. And the reason for exploring that is that, like, once we do our explorations, we toss it on and we pass it on our learnings to the product and development teams so that they can build really compelling products like the Copilot that you all have used, hopefully at some point of time. As an aside, for people who are following us on Twitter, I don't look anything like my picture over here. I'm the one in the green background. But we do have Devin in our team. He's not an automated AI. He's a very real person, and he looks exactly like the person on the top right corner on that slide. All right. Since we have gotten that out of the way, let's get back to the future of software engineering with regards to Gen AI. So here's what Andrew Ng, who single-handedly trained a whole generation of machine learning engineers has to say about AI, that it's just as electricity. It's the new electricity. It's going to transform the software development and almost every other field, just like electricity did 100 years ago. So what does that mean? Here's a picture of what a manufacturing facility looked like before electrification. There used to be a giant mostly coal-powered steam turbine or steam engine located centrally, which used to turn these giant shafts, which will turn these auxiliary shafts, so forth and so on, and individual workers would connect to these shafts using the belt and pulley system, right? And these engines were like really, really huge. So it was the workers, the whole architecture of the factory was designed around this steam engine. And the whole workflow was around this steam engine. And it was the workers who were working around the technology rather than the technology working for people, right? And along in 1880 came these electric motors, and they had the potential to revolutionize the manufacturing sector. Why? Because unlike steam engines or steam motors, they retained their efficiency when they were smaller, right? So you could basically redesign the entire factory floor plan. So you would think that, wow, this is great, and everyone would jump on this. But it was not until 1920s where these became the mainstream. So early 1880s to late 1920s. What was happening for about these 40 years? What was happening was exploration and experimentation. people were trying to figure out how to use this technology, how to make it better, how to de-risk it to a point that the use of this technology becomes the norm rather than the exception. And that's what we do at GitHub Next, right? Our charter is to explore the future of software engineering. And with the emphasis on the word explore, right? Because if we knew what the future of software engineering in context of AI looks like, we would just build it. That's more efficient. But unfortunately, we do not. So what we have to resort to is exploration. We just try out different things, rapidly prototype, experiment, and figure out whether something works or not. And if it works, then we put it out in front of our customers, in users, and we learn from them, and then we finally transform into a product. Oftentimes, an idea begins as inside our Next as a functional prototype, which goes through heavy dogfooding inside the Next team. If it survives that, then we move on to the next level of dogfooding that is inside the company. If it survives that, then we move on to the next level, which is releasing it as a tech preview to the early adopters. We learn from that. If it survives that, then it may have a chance to become a product like that, a product in the future. And we can kill or we can shelve any of these exploration at any point